equals to, if it is written here, log e base x, which you can denote it by ln x. So from here we are going to start exponential base logarithm. We are going to change everything with that basic rule of the exponential base logarithm, which is you can write ln of x. From the first principle of differentiation you can write it 1 by x. This is the rule. Whatever written after ln we needed to write here below. This x goes below whatever written. So say if I write there divide dx of ln bracket x, actually this gives us 1 by x inside the bracket whatever it is written. This is our basic rule from the first principle. So we're going to apply this one to in our total working. So see, if the expression is given ln 3x, what is the differentiation of this? Ln 3x exponential base logarithm, so you can write it say 1 by 3x according to the basic rule of the logarithm from here whatever written after ln. Then we need to differentiate the 3x part. So from here if we differentiate 3x, 1 by 3x, we can write here 3. So now cut out this 3 and 3. So finally we got from here 1 by x, and this is our final answer of this question. Let's go for the move to the another question. If it is written there say ln of x square, what is the differentiation of this? I'm going to write it directly, which gives us according to the rule of the basic rule of the differentiation, which is 1 by x square, and if we differentiate the x square we got from here 2x, so we can remove 1x by cutting from the below, so the part is remaining here 2 by x, and this is our answer of ln of x square. Let me move to few more questions. Say the expression given ln of x square minus 2x plus 1, what is it? Similar. So as a ln we needed to write 1 by something, the whole thing, which is x square minus 2x plus 1. Then differentiate inside the bracket, we got from here 2x minus 2. So by simplifying it in the simple form, by taking 2 common from the right side, you can write the answer 2 into x minus 1, and the denominator x square minus 2x plus 1. So this is our answer of this part. So I'm going to move few more questions. Say it is written here ln of, then inside the bracket say written ln of x. How to differentiate this? Same procedure. So for the first ln we need to write 1 by ln x, because inside the bracket it is written here ln according to the first principle, and if we differentiate we needed to differentiate the ln x again. So we know if we differentiate the ln x we got from here only 1 by x, so our final answer is 1 by x ln x. So you can write is a answer. So let's move to the another question. If it is written here 5x plus ln of 3 by x, according to the rule of differentiation, if it is written with a plus sign we can split it as a plus sign. So say this is our expression. So from the 5x if we differentiate we got only the 5, and from the second part of the differentiation which gives us 1 by 3 over x, and we needed to write d by dx of 3 by x. So 3 by x if we differentiate we can write it 3x to the power minus 1, and d by dx of this we got minus 3 x to the power minus 2, which is minus 3 by x square. So just we need to put it here 5 plus 1 by x by 3, we needed to flip it 3 by x, it becomes x by 3, and from this differentiation we got the answer from here, put it there directly into, we can write it minus 3 by x square. So finally we got from here 3 and 3 can cut out, x and 1x we can cut out from there. So final 5 minus 1 over x, 1 over x, this is our answer of this question if it is written like this. Let's move to the few more questions. Say if it is written there ln root x, how to differentiate it? Similar procedure. First we are going to differentiate as a ln, which we got from here as the basic rule, and divide dx of x to the power half, and x to the power half, if we differentiate, we got from there, we know that half in front of it, from half we needed to subtract 1, which gives us minus half. So finally you can write it, say on the top it is 1, and from the below, which is 2 root x into root x, 2 root x, it gives us, I mean root x into another root x from here, x to the power negative half, it gives us another root x. So from here you can write the answer as a 1 by 2x, and this is our final answer. So we needed to know the indices form, because here the logarithm also we are going to apply the indices. This is the rule. Let's move to the some other question. I prepared another one more question, which is ln of, say, x minus, if it is written there ln of x, how to differentiate ln, then inside the bracket that one. So according to the rule of first logarithm, we can write it 1 by x minus ln x. Very simple. The next part we needed to multiply it inside the bracket, which is x minus ln x. So we got from here 1 by x minus ln x, and inside the bracket we got from here 1 minus 1 by x. So we can simplify it. Simplification gives us say 1 minus 1 by x, 1 minus 1 by x. Actually we got from here x minus 1 divided by x. So we needed to multiply this one on the first part, so we can write it, say x minus on the top and x bracket x minus ln x on the denominator. This is our answer of this question. So this is the total working of the logarithm if the function is given like this. Let's see if the functions is given as a product rule or division rule, like that way. Say if it is given here x ln x, how to differentiate it? So we just needed to apply here the product rule, UV rule, x divide dx of ln x, then plus ln x into divide dx of x. So very simple. So x into ln x is 1 by x, plus another part ln x into divide dx of x is 1. So just put your value x and x, we can cut out. 1 plus ln x is our answer of this question. Let's say if it is written here ln x divided by x is x, so if it is in the division form, so division form formula we can apply here, quotient rule, v du by dx, x into d by dx of ln x minus ln x d by dx of x, and on the denominator you can write it x square. So just write here x into 1 by x minus ln x into 1, and denominator as we needed to write x square. So finally we got from here x and x we can cut out, 1 minus ln x, and on the denominator which is x square. So this is answer of this question. Similarly, if it is written there, say 5 by ln x, 5 by ln x, how to differentiate this? Divide dx of, we can write the expression like 5 ln x to the power minus 1. Now if we differentiate this, so as a power we needed to differentiate power, which is minus 5, and ln x we can write here minus 1, which is gives us minus 2. Now inside the bracket if we differentiate ln x, we got from here 1 by x. So we needed to write in simplified form, which is minus 5 over, on the denominator we needed to write x ln x whole square, and this is our answer of this question. Hope you understood the way we are doing the question. And one more question from the simple one we can discuss, which is say ln, if it is written there inside the bracket twice x minus 1. How to differentiate? It's a similar way as a logarithm or ln. We are going to differentiate first, which is whatever written after logarithm, we needed to write 1 by, then divide dx of that. Inside the bracket it is twice x minus 1 to the power half. So for doing the differentiation, let us simplify it. 1 by root 2x minus 1, and if we differentiate that part, it gives us half. From power we needed to subtract 1, it gives us minus half, and inside the bracket if we differentiate, we got another 2, because 2x minus 1 it gives us 1 2. So we can cut out this 2. The part is remaining here. We can write it, say 1 by root 2x minus 1 into 1 by root 2x minus 1, because if from here you can write it negative power. So finally you got root and root is cancelled, or root 2x minus 1 whole square, you can write it twice x minus 1, and this is our answer of this question. So this is the total part of the ln. If the question is given with the, say, lgx, we know that lgx actually log 10 base x is called the lgx. So how to do that? So differentiation of the lgx, differentiation of log 10 base x. So from log 10 base x we can apply here the base change formula, which is ln x divided by ln 10. Now it is possible to differentiate. So differentiate of lgx, differentiating of ln x by 10 is the same thing. Just write first ln 10 in front of it, then write the divided, because ln 10 there is no x function is here, no variable is here, that's why it's a constant. We needed to put it first as a constant, then only the ln x we have to differentiate, which gives us 1 by ln 10 into 1 by x. So our final answer is, we can write it 1 by x then ln 10. So this is our answer of this question. Similarly, it's the base is different, it's not an exponential base. Say different base is given, say one expression is given log 2 base x, or say log 7 base x, or say log 3 base, and the x part is given here x square minus 1. How to differentiate that? This is our topic. So we needed to change it first, base change formula. So according to the rule of base change formula, you can write it ln x divided by ln 2. Now it is possible to differentiate easily. So you can keep 1 by ln 2 first, because it's a constant, 1 by ln 2, and into d by dx of ln x. So just we needed to differentiate the ln x. From ln x, if we differentiate, we got the 1 by x. So finally you can write it 1 by x ln 2. This is our differentiation of this question. Same way we can break down by ln x divided by ln 7. So differentiation of this, it means that 1 by ln 7 we needed to write first, then ln x we got from here 1 by x. So it is, we can write like 1 x ln 7. If you can write it, say 1 by ln 7 then x, but make sure that that two term is different. It's not the actually the same term, ln 7 as a multiplied with the ln x. So this is our answer of this question. Same way we can do it, we needed to change it logarithm. Ln is also logarithm, exponential based logarithm, ln of x square minus 1, and on the below we needed to write ln 3. So differentiation of this, 1 by ln 3 act as a constant, then differentiate of ln of x square. We know that, we already know the basic, x square minus 1 into inside the bracket if we differentiate, we got from here 2x. So final answer is We can write it 2x divided by ln 3. Inside the bracket we needed to write x square minus 1. So that is our answer. So here ln 3 and x square minus 1 is a different term, so we cannot make it single. So this is the total working of the logarithm. Say if it is written there e to the power y equals to, one expression is given, say x, find dy by dx. How to do that? So it's very simple. We needed to make y as a subject first. Y you can write it as a ln x. Now dy by dx, it is d by dx of ln x, which is 1 by x. Say another expression, if it is written here e to the power y equals to x square minus 2x plus 1. How to do that? Same, we can write the expression as a y equals to ln x square minus 2x plus 1. That is our expression. Now just differentiate it, dy by dx according to the rule of ln 1 by x square minus 2x plus 1 we need to write first, then inside the bracket if we differentiate we got from here say 2x minus 2. So by simplifying it by writing like this, 2 into x minus 1 divided by x square minus 2x plus 1, we can leave our answer here. So this is the total working of the exponential function. There are a lot of equations. I prepared some of the equations for you, wonderful worksheet. Say differentiation of the logarithmic function, all type of questions are there. Now I am very sure that you are able to do all the questions from here. So dy by dx, lgx, different base x is given there. So you can download this PDF file from the description below and write comments below if you would stuck in any question from here. Next tutorial where we are going to prepare for you the trigonometric function. You're welcome to see my next video. Thanks for watching.